Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Machine. So I am back with another video. So in this video I am going to show you how can you stop the auto pressing of the key on your keyboard. So first, if you want to see how to use your keyboard as a mouse, so you can simply click on the right corner of your video. You can see a small I button. You will simply click on that button and you can see how, and you can check my video how can you use your keyboard as a mouse. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first you have to download this file that which name is keyboard test. So I will drop the link in the description. So first we will open this file. So first we will try to press the keys. So you can see that these some keys are in green color, which means that these keys are working properly, and my print screen key is not working. So I will press the press print screen key on my keyboard, and you can see it's showing red color in this file. So I will stop. So you can see that here the key is being pressed, which means that this is auto pressing. There is auto pressing of this key. So so I will show you now how can you stop this auto pressing of your key. Then you have done another file which name is key tweak, and we will open this file. I will drop the link of this file in the description. And then you have to go to half teach mode, and then you have to scan a single press on the scan a single key, and then you have to press the key on your keyboard that's not working, and then you have to go to destination key and select the key that you are not using, and this key will be used on the behalf of that print screen key. So I am not using this key, and I will replace this key with print screen key. And then you have to click on apply, and then you have to click on yes. After clicking on yes, your computer will be restarted. After restarted, the computer automatically will take the effects, and you can see the change on your computer. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Tech Machine and give a like, and do share this video with your friends, family, relatives and neighbors. And also, if you want to see my more two videos, you want to see my videos, so you can click on these two boxes. So thank you.